Hi, I'm Shoma. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Moonstone Holistic Healing. Today is Guruvar or Thursday, named after Guru, the planet Jupiter, Brihaspati, and the stone related to that is the yellow sapphire or Pukhraj. It's a beautiful yellow color. The alternate stones, which are also yellow in color, instead of the yellow sapphire, you could use the yellow topaz or the citrine. But of course, the yellow sapphire is expensive but has the most beautiful, radiant yellow color for all the qualities that Jupiter stands for. So, before we go further, let's start with the mantra for Jupiter. I have my Navgrahas here, and you can see Jupiter is Guru over here, right here in the yellow. So, Guru is a Sanskrit word which means remover of darkness or ignorance. Gu is the darkness, and Ru is the remover. So, he is the wise teacher, the master. So, let's dedicate our Guru mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. This is a mantra dedicated to our Guru, our teacher, our internal teacher, the teacher up in the heavens, the teacher that we might have in this world, to learn from all our experiences throughout our life, through the process of creation, through our own life, and through our destruction and trials and tribulations. So the Pukhraj is called the wisdom stone, and it's also called the stone of wealth or prosperity, and it can be used to increase those aspects in your life for fulfilling your ambitions, or if you're studying and need to have more clarity, or if you're undergoing spiritual confusion. It releases mental tension and depression and can bring lightness and joy into your spirit. On the medical side, it can be used for eliminating impurities and stimulating the lymphatic system, the gallbladder, spleen, stomach, and digestive system disorders, because the yellow color in the yoga system is related to the solar plexus or the Manipura chakra, which is at the navel. So those things are related to the digestive and stomach and spleen, those the bile, all those kind of things. And on the emotional side, the solar plexus is like an energy power center, your personal power. So it's related to your self-esteem and also cordial relationships with people, and just to have that drive and ambition and to go after things. If you're having problems with obesity, anemia, diabetes, or insomnia, then too the Pukhraj is the stone for that. It's related to that part of the body. So the Pukhraj is it's a type of gemstone, one of the Navratnas or the 9 jewels, which is called as corundum. It's an aluminium oxide, and corundum actually derives from the Sanskrit word korunda, which means a massive opaque gem. So it's the second hardest after the diamond, and it can be useful for people who are archaeologists or historians, ministers, writers, journalists, lawyers, anyone who needs to use a lot of wisdom and clarity, have some control. And it can be worn on the Jupiter finger in Indian palmistry, that is the index finger which you point, your pointing finger. So you have like Mercury, the sun, Saturn, and you have Jupiter. So Pukhraj would be worn on this finger. It could also be kept at home in your cash box if you want abundance, and or you could just wear it if you want to feel lightness and joy. The alternatives which are lower priced are citrine and yellow topaz. And remember to charge your Pukhraj in the sunlight, in the moonlight. And this is the master quartz charging crystal, and that can be used for charging too. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.